You know how we rolling up like big wheels, back roads, and cold beer. Old school, straight country goat here. That's just the way that we roll here.
Big wheels, back roads, and cold beer. This is how we roll here on Netherby Road. With an abundance of acreage around, white-tailed deer, ponds and oversized garages, a moving condition home and bonfire nights. This property is waiting for you.
Get inside, you gotta jump. We going green handle at the pump, and you can hear us before we rolling up. If it's like that, where you from? Come on and sing. Big wheels, back roads, and cold beer. Old school, straight country goat here. That's just the way that we roll here. Big wheels, back roads, and cold beer. Green heads, white tails, and long beards. Long johns, john boats, and john.
For more information, check out callcarl.ca. Or better yet, give me a call, and I'd love to be able to show you in person.
Outside dirty, inside clean. We are drinking at it.